JP, my neck, my back, so
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the third video I'm doing of Vlogmas. I'm doing pretty good, y'all. Like, I'm proud of myself. I'm getting content out there. It may not be Christmassy yet, but the Christmas stuff is coming soon, so stay tuned for those. As y'all saw from the title, I'm going to be doing my little nighttime routine. So I'm going to be going to the gym. I'm going to cook something to eat, and then I'm going to do a skincare routine. So I hope you guys are interested in that. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, hey Mookies, how are you? Before we start the video, make sure you guys like the video. Comment down below what other videos you want to see. If you haven't already, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you can miss my upload again. And I'll see you guys at the gym.
Girl, if you black, 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 girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black, girl, if you black, girl, if you black, girl, if you
JP, coming out of my shirt and then my skirt came down. There goes my, coming out of my shirt and then my skirt came down. There goes my,
black girl, if you black, 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 girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black, girl, if you black, girl, if you black, girl, if you black, girl, if you black.
Niggas want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me cashes. Punch you like Bob Saget, greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why am I how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing to pick me. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing, all of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind. Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never shit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much. I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my nothing wrong. Third day, pop out the tone. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all the violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. Better when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong. Cause my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why am I all the time change? You still talking about babies and I'm still taking the plan B. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing, all of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind.
if you wanna reach me. That can only mean one thing. me if you wanna reach me.
You got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started winning less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before.
Call me, reach me if you wanna reach me.